The trade war between the US and Canada is heating up as leaders from both countries trade 25% tariffs and other regulatory threats. At the center of the tariff tiff is booze, with Canadian stores stripping shelves of all US alcohol in an act of patriotic solidarity. Brown-Forman, the producer of Jack Daniel's, said such boycotts will be, quote, worse than a tariff when it comes to the impact on the bottom line. Well, the fight has opened the door for the opportunistic, and on Friday, Moosehead Breweries, based in St. John, New Brunswick, unveiled the, quote, presidential pack, a crate of 1,461 of the brand's Canadian lagers, one beer per day of the Trump presidency. The presidential pack is designed to help, quote, weather 4 years of political uncertainty, with one Canadian beer each day. The crate costs $3,490 plus tax and deposit, and it's available to residents of Ontario, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia. Home delivery isn't even included because I don't see that fitting in your car. Founded in 1867, the same year as Canada, Moosehead Breweries is the last major brewery in Canada still owned by Canadians, according to the company. In the announcement, Moosehead said, quote, while 4 years may seem like a long time, together we will push forward, as we always do, one day, one well-earned beer at a time. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.